Hey you guys, so I just did a Dollar Tree haul just now. So I bought this LA Colors Nude Glam lipstick. It's a rich and creamy color, moisturizing wear. It's an eye impact one wipe pay off. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so we are going to try it. I love the packaging, by the way. It's very good, and you know, look very simple, but it's good. All right, so we just gonna try. Ooh, that perfume smells so good. Yeah, so this is it right here, and this is how it looks. Okay, so it says very moisturizing, so let's see. It's very, yeah, it's very moisturizing. It is moisturizing. I didn't use any pencil or anything like that before. You guys saw what I did, but it is moisturizing, exactly what they said. You know, it says rich creamy color. It doesn't have any smell or anything. Moisturizing wear, yes, it feels moisturized. Yeah, on my lips. Yeah, you guys can see. Okay, and then it says just one wipe pay off. So you guys see it. It's really nice. Look at that. So if you're wearing like a nude, I mean like a dress you don't want to be too, what's the name? This might be a route for you to go. Okay guys, so now what we're going to do, we are going to wipe this like it says, just one wipe off, and that's all you have to do, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay you guys, as you see, definitely will recommend this. And yeah, this for us that have dry lips under your mask, this is a good thing, something that will keep your lips. But again, if your mask is white, this is definitely going to stain it. I'm just gonna be real with you, it's gonna stain it. So, and then it's gonna come off. Some of them gonna come off because your mask is gonna be on your lips. So all right, so now let's just do what they said. Yeah. You guys, yeah, it did it. Definitely will recommend that. Okay guys, so yeah, so I'm just gonna put it back on. So that is it for you guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye now.
Bye.